This is a message for anyone concerned about the environment, especially young people. It's estimated that every year almost 100 million backpacks and bags are manufactured and sold around the world. These bags are mostly constructed from virgin materials, nylons and polyesters, which are made from petroleum, and coated in a solvent based coating, which emit VOCs and depletes the ozone. So here's something small that we can all do that can make a big difference. If you're going to buy a backpack or a bag, look for one that's made from recycled materials and look for one that's coated with a coating like Polycor, a water-based patented product that will not emit VOCs and will not deplete the ozone. Together, if we do this, we can start to make a big difference in the change that we need against global warming. Thank you.